everybody, today we have a new recipe which is the date nut bread, and was very simple, especially if you have a mixing machine. So here's the result, and I'm gonna show you how to make it and the ingredients you'll need. Bye! Follow me on Instagram and Facebook and like my channel. So we're gonna start with 200 grams of butter and a spoon of honey and 1 spoon of brown sugar. The butter has to be room temperature. We take 150 grams of dates that are open and clean off the inside bone and cut in little pieces. If you want it finer, you can use a mixer with very fine blades because it's very sticky. We put everything in a KitchenAid with the whip and make it start, and it has to go on for about 8 minutes. Then I add a tablespoon of salt, and I'll continue and add 2 eggs, one at a time. And after the 2 eggs, I'll add 2 tablespoons of rhum, but you can put any other flavor you want, cinnamon or ginger. Then I take 200 grams of walnuts and I put in a Ziploc bag and I'll mash them like this, not too small but not too big. And I put it in the KitchenAid and let it mix for about a minute. And when everything is mixed, remember to turn on the oven and preheat it at 360 Fahrenheit. So when everything is mixed, I put 250 grams of flour and a spoon of baking powder, which is about 15-60 grams. And when the flour is mixed, it's gonna take a minute. I'll add 100 grams of milk, let it mix for 1 more minute. Then I'll take a pan and I'm gonna butter it, and I cut a piece of baking paper that will help me when the bread is done. I put all the butter in it. I'll smooth the surface, and when everything's done, I'll just put it in the oven at 360 Fahrenheit for about 40 minutes. When the bread is outside the oven, I'll just let it cool down. That's very important. I'll just put some powdered sugar on top. And that's it. I'll just cut it in slices. You can eat it for breakfast or for an afternoon tea snack. And you don't need a lot of sugar because it's very sweet itself. So I hope you like my recipe.